The winter of 2026-2027 is shaping up to be one of the most volatile in recent memory. Meteorologists are already warning that this season could bring a combination of record-breaking cold snaps, intense snowstorms, and unpredictable weather patterns that we haven't seen in decades. For many, the memories of past winters, when snow piled up overnight and power outages left neighborhoods in the dark, are coming back with a new urgency. This year, the stakes are even higher. Across the UK and US, families are waking up to the reality that this season won't be business as usual. Instead of the usual winter routines, people are bracing for the unexpected. Schools may close suddenly, roads could become impassable, and even basic services might be disrupted. The familiar sight of children playing in the snow is now mixed with concern as parents wonder how to keep everyone safe and warm if the worst happens. Communities are coming together, sharing tips and resources, but the sense of uncertainty is everywhere. El Niño and climate change mean we're facing extremes, floods, power cuts, and sudden dangerous weather swings. Rivers that rarely overflow could flood entire neighborhoods, while ice storms threaten to snap power lines and leave thousands without heat. Emergency services are preparing for a surge in calls, but they're urging everyone to take personal responsibility and get ready now. The combination of natural forces at play this winter is unlike anything we've seen before, and the risks are real. But with the right preparation, you can protect your loved ones and your home. Stocking up on essentials like food, water, and medications is just the beginning. Sealing windows and doors, checking your heating systems, and having a plan for emergencies can make all the difference. It's about thinking ahead, knowing where your flashlights are, having extra blankets ready, and making sure everyone in your household knows what to do if the power goes out or if you need to evacuate quickly. Today, I'll show you the key moves: flood protection, power and heat, health, travel, and more, so you can take control before the storm hits. We'll cover how to create an emergency kit tailored for winter, steps to safeguard your home against flooding and freezing temperatures, and tips for staying healthy when cold and flu season peaks. You'll also learn how to prepare your car for winter travel, what to do if you're stranded, and how to stay connected with loved ones and emergency services even if the power goes out. Let's make sure you and your family are ready for whatever this winter throws your way. With a little planning and the right information, you can face the coming months with confidence, knowing you've done everything possible to keep your home safe and your loved ones protected. Winter survival starts now. Let's get prepared together. Floods can strike fast, often with little warning, and their impact can be devastating for families and communities across the UK. But with the right preparation, you can significantly reduce the risks to your home and loved ones. Taking action before a flood happens is the most effective way to protect what matters most. Start by signing up for free flood warnings from the Environment Agency. These alerts can give you precious time to act. You can also check your home's flood risk online, which helps you understand how likely your area is to be affected. Knowing your risk level is the first step in making a solid plan. Don't wait until the last minute. Stock up on sandbags and flood barriers now, while supplies are available. These simple tools can make a huge difference in keeping water out of your home. Practice setting them up with your family so everyone knows what to do if a flood warning is issued. Protect your most important belongings by moving valuables, documents, and sentimental items to higher shelves or upper floors. Consider fitting non-return valves to drains and toilets to prevent dirty water from backing up into your home. These small upgrades can save you a lot of trouble later. Regularly clear gutters, drains, and downpipes to help rainwater flow away from your property. If heavy rain is forecast, move your car to higher ground to avoid costly damage. Simple maintenance tasks like these can make a big difference during a storm. Make sure everyone in your household knows where to find emergency contact numbers, including local authorities and utility companies. Keep a list handy and store important numbers in your mobile phone. Good communication is your lifeline during an emergency. By taking these steps now, you'll be ready to act quickly and confidently if flooding threatens your home. Preparation today means peace of mind tomorrow. Winter storms can knock out power and heat in an instant. Keep torches, spare batteries, and a battery-powered radio ready. Charge power banks and stockpile non-perishable food and bottled water, 3 liters per person per day for 3 days. Have safe heating alternatives, but never use barbecues or gas stoves indoors. Layer up with warm clothing and sleeping bags, and keep fridges closed to preserve food. Store medication safely, and have candles or lighters as backup. Use with care. Preparation beats panic every time. When it comes to keeping your family safe and healthy during emergencies, preparation is key. Start by creating a clear family emergency plan. Make sure every member of your household, from the youngest to the oldest, knows exactly what to do if you need to evacuate quickly, or shelter in place for an extended period. Practice your plan together so everyone feels confident and ready, and discuss different scenarios, such as power cuts or flooding, so no one is caught off guard. Assign roles to each person, like who will grab the pets or check on elderly relatives, to make sure nothing is forgotten in a stressful moment. Prepare grab bags for each family member, packed with essentials like medication, identification, snacks, bottled water, a torch, and a phone charger. Don't forget items for babies, pets, or anyone with special needs. Keep these bags in an easy-to-reach spot and check them regularly to replace expired food or outgrown clothes. Having these ready means you can leave at a moment's notice, knowing you have what you need to stay safe and comfortable. Your home environment is just as important for your family's health. Watch for signs of mold, which can grow quickly in damp conditions and cause breathing problems, especially for children, the elderly, or anyone with asthma. Make it a habit to ventilate rooms by opening windows or using extractor fans, and clean any mold you find as soon as possible. Keeping your living space dry and fresh helps everyone breathe easier and stay healthier. Remember, emergencies can be stressful and isolating, especially for vulnerable neighbors or those living alone. Take time to check in on them, offer support, and share your emergency plans. Talking openly about what you'll do can help ease anxiety and build a stronger, more resilient community where everyone looks out for each other. Stock up on first aid supplies, including plasters, bandages, antiseptic, and any personal medications. Learn basic first aid skills as a family. Knowing how to treat minor injuries or illnesses can make a big difference while waiting for help to arrive. Teach children how to use the kit safely, so they feel empowered rather than scared. If anyone in your home relies on powered medical equipment, register it with your energy supplier. This ensures you'll get priority support during power outages, which can be life-saving. Keep a backup power source if possible, and make sure everyone knows how to operate the equipment safely in an emergency. Finally, keep all important documents, like passports, insurance papers, and medical records, in a waterproof wallet or pouch. Store them somewhere easy to grab if you need to leave quickly. Being organized and prepared helps protect your family's health and peace of mind, no matter what comes your way. Extreme weather makes travel risky. Plan ahead, never drive through floodwater, and check live weather warnings before setting out. Keep a car emergency kit vest, torch, blankets, water, snacks, first aid kit, charger. Keep your fuel tank at least half full. Petrol stations may close during outages. Know alternative routes and have backup transport options. Sign up for Met Office alerts and keep some cash on hand. Agree on a check-in system with family. Simple steps save lives. Flooding in the southern U.S. can be sudden and severe. Sign up for National Weather Service alerts and know your flood zone. Never drive through flooded roads. Most flood deaths happen this way. Elevate valuables, move vehicles to higher ground, and clear gutters and drains. Install flood barriers if needed and keep an emergency kit ready. Teach kids the dangers of floodwater and stay connected with neighbors. Fast action and community awareness save lives. Your severe weather kit is your first line of defense. Include a NOAA weather radio, 3 days food and water, medications and chargers. Add a flashlight, spare batteries, first aid kit, and helmets for tornadoes. Pack hygiene items, copies of important documents, and a whistle for help. Solar chargers and portable fans can be lifesavers. Run through your kit with the family so everyone knows what to do. Familiarity with your gear is everything. Power outages can last days. Be ready. Use generators safely outdoors and test them before storm season. Charge all devices and keep power banks ready. Consider a battery-powered fridge for medications or baby formula. Keep fridges closed, know what's inside, and throw out spoiled food. Battery-powered fans and lights help in hot weather. Relocate vulnerable family if needed. Review your outage plan and practice it. Aftermath is often the toughest test. Even with a milder winter, El Niño brings surprises. Don't get complacent. Prepare for sudden cold snaps and ice storms with emergency kits for car and home. Keep blankets, hats, gloves, a shovel, and ice melt handy. Monitor forecasts closely and slow down for black ice. Keep your fuel tank half full and your phone charged. Check on children and elderly relatives often. Stay flexible and alert. Mild forecasts can change fast. Some strategies work everywhere. Create a family communication plan and agree on meeting points. Keep cash in small bills for emergencies. Teach children basic safety and check on vulnerable neighbors. Download offline maps and emergency apps before storms hit. Keep a printed list of key numbers in your grab bag. Practice your plan. Preparedness empowers your family. Staying informed is your most powerful tool. Check Met Office, Environment Agency, NOAA, and National Weather Service daily. Set up alerts and use multiple sources: news, radios, social media. Make preparedness a habit. Review your checklist weekly. Adapt quickly if you see risks changing. The families who fare best stay nimble and alert. Preparedness builds resilience for whatever comes. Stay safe and informed. Make daily checks a habit. This winter is unpredictable, but preparation now makes all the difference. Every step you take today makes your family stronger tomorrow. Act now, stay alert, and know you're ready for even the fiercest storm. You're not just surviving this winter, you're thriving. Let's face the wild together.